Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Nemo English Practice.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy to see you again today.
Today's topic is very fun and very easy. We will talk about hobbies.
Yes, hobbies are things we love to do in our free time.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us to make more English lessons for you.
All right, let's start slowly and enjoy the conversation together. Alice, let's start simple. What is your hobby?
I have many hobbies, but my favorite hobby is reading books.
Oh, nice. Reading books. What kind of books do you like?
I like storybooks and sometimes adventure books. They are very exciting.
Ah, interesting. I like adventure too, but in movies, not in books.
That's funny. So you like watching movies?
Yes, I really like watching movies in my free time.
What kind of movies do you watch?
I like action movies and sometimes comedy movies. Comedy makes me laugh a lot.
Yes, me too. Comedy movies are very relaxing. Sometimes I laugh alone at home.
That is me too. My family thinks I am strange.
No, it's normal. Laughing is good for health.
True. Now, do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like cooking.
Wow, cooking. That sounds amazing. What do you cook?
I cook simple food, like fried rice, noodles, and sometimes soup.
Oh, nice. Can you cook spicy food?
Yes, I can, but sometimes it is too spicy, and I drink a lot of water.
That happens to me too. I always make food too spicy.
Maybe we should cook together one day.
Yes, but we should keep water near us, just in case.
What about you? Do you have any hobbies besides movies?
Yes, I do. I like playing football.
Oh, great. Do you play every day?
Not every day. Maybe on weekends with my friends.
That sounds fun. Football is a good exercise.
Yes, I feel very active and happy after playing.
I agree. Exercise is very important for health.
Do you like sports?
I like walking. Is that a sport?
Yes, walking is also good exercise.
Then I am a sporty person.
Yes, you are. Now, let's help our learners practice.
Yes, everyone listen carefully.
What is your hobby?
Can you say it in English?
For example, my hobby is reading books.
Or, I like playing football.
Or, I enjoy cooking food.
Very simple, right?
Now, one more question.
What do you do in your free time?
Do you watch movies?
Do you play games?
Do you go outside with friends?
Try to answer slowly in English.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Sometimes I have no hobby. I just sleep.
Sleeping is also a hobby?
Yes, my favorite hobby is sleeping.
Then I think I also have that hobby too.
We are very similar.
Maybe our channel should be Sleep and English Practice?
Good idea. But people might sleep while watching us.
That is okay. They will wake up with better English.
Let's practice together slowly.
Repeat after me.
My hobby is reading books.
I like cooking food.
I enjoy playing sports.
I watch movies in my free time.
Very good. You are improving step by step.
Keep practicing every day.
Today, we talked about hobbies.
Yes, very simple and useful English.
Now you can talk about your hobbies in English.
Don't forget to practice again and again.
We are very proud of you.
Yes, you are doing great.
Tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite hobby?
We really want to know.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and take care.
Bye-bye, everyone.